Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to Forex Success. So, guys, in 5 minutes, I want to show you how I trade and analyze volatility 25 index. So, this in this video, I'm just going to do it in a summary so that you guys will understand and see how I want to swing volatility 25 index for a long-term trade. Yeah, guys, if you watch, you see a support level, a resistance level right here, and probably we'll be expecting the market to move to the downside. So we're just going to do the analysis to see what the trade is going to be like after it goes where the market moves. Okay, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, guys, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Yeah, and click on the link at the description below, yeah, to create an account on Deriv so you can start trading with us for real and join our Telegram group so you can also enjoy the benefits involved. Yeah, I do drop signals. Make sure you join the group so you can also benefit from it. Okay, guys, let's just jump in. Firstly, guys, like I always say, if I want to analyze an index, I first of all go to the daily time frame to see the overall move of the market. And right here, I will just simply spot out my support and resistance level. First of all, I'll take the horizontal line. This is a key level where price actually reacted to. Yes, firstly. Then just spot out the key levels. Then this is another useful level, which is the support level right there. Then I think this level again as another resistance level. So these are the major key levels I can use right now. Then probably we'll just move to the nearest time frame, which is 4-hour time frame. You know, we use the 1 hour time frame and the daily time frame. Then we use the 15 minutes time frame to take entries, as well as the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we can see it's starting to give us a sell. So price is actually reacting. Price has reacted to this resistance level. You can see this blue line right here. Price has reacted to it. So we're expecting the market to move to the downside. As simple as this. So I'll just zoom this in so we'll be able to get more clearance on the market. Okay, guys, we can get a trend line right here, but let me make this more simpler. I'll just put it on the line chart perfectly. Yeah, so this will make it more easy and clearer for us. Yeah, we can get a trend line right here, a trend line. Yeah, we can get a trend line starting from here. You can see this is a trend line, of course. So the market broke through this trend line. You can see market has been respecting this trend line, and the price broke through this trend line, expecting to come down. So what are we expecting for this market, guys? If you clearly see, we sell the volatility 25 index is just gonna sell, moving to the downside, probably then being affected. This is just what price action is. This is how you trade with price action. Firstly, guys, I will just say, okay, this is a zone, right? A support zone right here that price reacted to. So we might have some issues right there. So let me show you how we can set our take profit. Firstly, right there, similar stuff here where we had issues. So this will also be a stop loss level here. So this is just what I see on this market, that volatility 10 index, volatility 25 index, it's gonna sell to the downside, like selling to the downside from this point right here, move to this point where we might where we had this previous ranging, this consolidation right here. So the market might have some issues right here, then where it will decide whether it will break through or go back to reverse. That's whether it will reverse. So that's just basically it. So if I want to take this trade right now, already I'm on the trade, what I will do is simply I'll place a sell right here, targeting this 230 points, and I set my stop loss above this level at a 90 target loss. Exactly. So 90 loss and two is it 220? No, it's supposed to be 250. Okay, we can get 240 as the take profit, and 90 as the stop loss. So that's just basically it. You can see we have this price not being able to reach the previous high anymore at this point. So you can as well move to the 1 hour time frame, where you can also get more confirmations on what the market is trying to show you. But at this time, let's just take it back to the candle. Yes, to candles, which we actually normally use to trade. Okay, the line chart actually help you to get your trend line correctly. It makes it more easier to plot your trend line. So guys, so you can see the trend line still right here where the market broke through it. So this is our prediction that the market is going to sell from this point down. So we're actually swinging this. It might take days, or even no, it's not possible to reach here today, but it might take days for to reach this take profit level. So we just have to wait, knowing fully well that the trade is the stop loss is at a 94 pips. So what I'm going to do before I take this trade, I will just go to, so guys, this is how you guys can do it. I'll just go to my pip calculator, select select the point value, which is 94, right? So point value 94. So which lot size am I using? If I'm using 0.5 lot size, I calculate, and it is a $47 risk. So this is what will help you to know how many lot size you're gonna be using on a trade. So if you want to use one lot size, it definitely means you'll be risking almost 94. Means you'll be risking $94 to gain. The take profit is at 243. So 243 as the take profit level. If you are using 0.5, means you'll be gaining 120. So that's almost about 1:3. Lose risk reward ratio 1:3. So that's just basically how we trade these things, guys. So you can also go to your 15-minute time frame and take your entry right there. 15-minute time frame, you just observe the market, look for a retest. Like at this point is a good time to get into the trade. Let me zoom out. This is a good time to get into the trade at this retest. You've already seen what's going to happen to the market at the higher time frame. So all you need to do on the smaller time frame is just to get entries. So if you are on your mobile device, you can just add your 40 EMA to this chart so that it can actually help you spot out the trend as well. That is the 40 EMA. So got the moving average, settings, and okay, let me zoom this out. Then the input, we're using the 40. Okay, 40 EMA helps us spot the trend properly. So if you watch, guys, it's just crossed above, which indicates a sell. You can see when it crossed below the chart, it indicates a buy, and then when it crossed below the chart, it indicates a sell. So as it crossed above, guys, we are expecting a sell, but naturally we can find some moves to the upside. That is some retracement similar like this, and as well as like this. You get that, guys? So something like this, which we faced right here. So we can get this retracement, but I'm not sure it's gonna break through this moving average, so it's gonna continue selling to the downside. So that's it. And guys, once you're trading, make sure you trade with proper risk management. That's it. So make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop new video. For real, yeah, this is where the only place you can see synthetic indices, yeah, which are crash and booms, volatilities in there. So click on the link at the comment section and also at the description to create an account. Thank you for watching, guys.